See you later, Remix. Have a good one, champ. Thank you very much, man. Good luck to you too, man. Have fun. I made it. Shit. Fuck. What do I do? Let's get some endurance, eh? Oh, fuck. No. I don't want to do that. Got the endurance, boys. At least if I die now, I've got fuck all souls and I'm right by the bonfire. Oh, I've got to kindle it. Fuck, that's only going to leave me with 4 left. Oh no, what did I do? Ah! Ah, shit. What a waste of humanity. Okay. Yeah, man. Don't worry, I'll get there. I'll learn. Holy shit. Fuck you, giant. So where do I go now? Oh, what the fuck? Look at that place. I only just noticed that. What'd you do? What'd you do? Tell me.
Good day. You look reasonably sane. What are you doing in the catacombs? Are you a cleric or something? No? Really? Then I'd have no qualms telling you. There's a fine stash of treasure right down that hole. I found it first, but, well, we're friends now. So I'll split it with you. In any case, have a look. It'll shimmer you blind.
Holy shit, I did not mean to fall there. I'm so fucking happy I did. Are you fucking kidding me? Really? Really? I didn't even think of this earlier. Aww. That didn't work. What's up, Angus? Welcome, man. Welcome. No, I thought the skull lantern would, like, you know, light the path beyond me. Sort of thing, you know? Sort of do some crazy shit. But no, of course not. Again. Oh yeah. Don't know what that noise was. Sup, Jeb? How you going, man? How's your day been? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Really? No. Stop coming close to me, please. You're just full of nasty stuff. I'd like it if you just died. Thank you. Oh, that's not good, man. Give him a kick up the ass. Love you, babe. Oh, what the fuck, dude? That's not... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Sons of bitches. Wow. Minimize the feed. Oh, nice, man. Alright. 306. At least now I know the sort of where it... Okay, I'm not going to talk too soon. Oh, that's right. Oh, shit. Uh, 10, 15 minutes. Alright, I think this is the right way. Or I'm just gonna drop and die. What the fuck? Oh, what the what the fuck was that? Oh, nice, Jeb. Yeah, man, I'll hit you up if I'm still on. For sure. Death in the box. You got that right, man.
What, did you die again, Mark?
Of course I did, mate. What do you think it is?
Last time I put 2-2 woot woot in. Have you died since then?
Yes. That bastard kicked me off. Alright, is he gonna jump down and I have to fight him? What an asshole. What an asshole.
I'm gonna go and whack the kettle on.
Yeah, mate.
Hey, don't call me mate. I told you about that.
I pick my fucking mates, mate. Oh, you... What the fuck? Still one more. Oh my god. Shit, he knocked me for 6 then. Aha! Motherfucker. Oh, it's definitely fueled with coffee. And Monster. I like your doom face, Les.
You banished those 2 hollows, did you?
What the fuck? I didn't hit you, woman. Yeah. Holy shit. Nah, not yet. Can I talk to her again, or is she gonna want to kill me now? What the fuck is she?
You banished those 2 hollows, did you? It pains me to think of the trouble my failings have caused. I am certain that both Vince and Nico are grateful to you. Thank you so very much. Here, these belonged to them. You deserve them all.
I didn't attack her. Oh, she's the lady from the Soul Link Shrine.
I am certain that both Vince and Nico are grateful. Thank you.
You're welcome, bitch. This place is fucked. How do you know where to go? Oh, no, no, no. I don't want to go back there. There's obviously more up here. Nah, I haven't killed the boss yet, man. Shit, this is me you're talking to, dude.